My name is Joseph McDaniel, and I'm an Arizona bankruptcy attorney. I'm also a debt relief agency, and I help people and businesses file for bankruptcy. And today we're going to talk about a new bankruptcy myth, that you can use monies that have recently been garnished to pay your bankruptcy attorney. Actually, the answer is no, you can't. But I can understand how this myth got started. There's a tiny kernel of truth inside this new bankruptcy myth. If an otherwise unsecured creditor takes a judgment against you in Arizona and garnishes your wages, the amounts that flow to that non-insider creditor within the 90 days prior to your filing of a Chapter 7 bankruptcy in Arizona may very well be a preference payment. So after you file your bankruptcy, your randomly appointed Chapter 7 bankruptcy trustee may have his lawyer sue the creditor to recover those preference payments. Therefore, there's a chance that the money that was garnished from you during the 90 days prior to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy in Arizona will be used to pay a lawyer. But it will be the Chapter 7 trustee's lawyer, not the debtor's lawyer. Thank you very much.